evening, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to a live interactive AHA Slides quiz on the previous year questions of the chapter Anatomy in Flowering Plants after a very long time, right? We are back with a live interactive quiz after a very long time from your channel BioPoint Stream, the world of bio. So, without wasting too much of time, we are going to start our quiz. So go to ahaslides.com and use the code 202280. Go to ahaslides.com and use the code 202280. We'll start the quiz in next 20 seconds. I hope my audio is perfectly fine and clear for everybody. And starting the quiz in 3, starting the quiz in 2, starting the quiz in 1. Let's move to the next slide. So those who are brand new to the channel, don't forget to join our Telegram group at t.me/neet_biopoint, where daily session updates, regular discussions, and Telegram quizzes takes place. So those who have not become a part of our Telegram group, don't forget to join our Telegram group right now itself. So just hit the hearts of the screen and let's begin this super amazing quiz. Okay, so let's move on. So right now you can join into the quiz by entering your name. Yes. So we have Sonali, Christopher, then Akhil, NEET aspirant. So let's get started with the quiz. So question number 1 on your screen right now. Let's have the question number 1 on your screen. Which one of the following is not a lateral meristem? AIPM 2010. Intercalary meristem, intrafascicular cambium, interfascicular cambium, and phellogen. Intercalary meristem, intrafascicular cambium, interfascicular cambium, and phellogen. Let's have the correct answer on the screen in 3, 2, 1, and let's have the answers on the screen. We have intercalary meristem as the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the question number 2. So we have 25 questions, 30 seconds each. The chief water conducting elements of xylem in gymnosperms are AIPM 2010. Tracheids, vessels, fibers, transfusion tissue. The chief water conducting tissues of xylem in gymnosperms. I have to just note down the point, gymnosperms. The chief water conducting elements of xylem in gymnosperms are tracheids, vessel, fibers, and transfusion tissue. The answer for the question on your screen, it's the tracheids. So tracheids are the major water conducting elements of xylem in gymnosperms. Whereas in angiosperm, both tracheids and vessels will contribute to the conduction together. Let's move on to the question number 3 on your screens right now. Heartwood differs from sapwood in AIPM 2010. Heartwood differs from sapwood in. Hardwood differs from sadwood in AIPM 2010 being susceptible to pest and pathogen, presence of resin fibers, absence of vessels and parenchyma, having dead and non-conducting elements. And the time is up. You will have the correct answer on the screen. Heartwood differs from sapwood in having dead and non-conducting elements. Today morning we have done this question. Right, everybody? Moving on to the next question on your screens. Question number 4. Age of a tree can be estimated by NEET 2013. Number of annual ring, diameter of the hardwood, its height and girth, and option number 4, it's a biomass. Age of a tree. Today morning we have done this. Age of a tree can be estimated by NEET 2013 question. Number of annual ring, diameter of its hardwood, its height and girth, and biomass. Yes, it's a correct answer. Number of annual ring is the method by which you can estimate the age of a tree. So such a simple question for the NEET exam. Question number 5 on your screens. Interfascicular cambium develops from the cells of NEET 2013. Interfascicular cambium. Endodermis, pericycle, medullary race, xylem, parenchyma. Interfascicular cambium develops from the cells of NEET 2013 question. Endodermis, pericycle, medullary race, and xylem, parenchyma. Let's have the correct answer on the screen in 3, 2, 1, and the correct answers is right now on the screen. The correct answer is medullary race. So interfascicular cambium, which is actually contributing towards the secondary growth, is actually developing from the cells of medullary race. Let's move on to the next question on the screen. Question number 6. Lenticels are involved in NEET 2013 question. Lenticels are involved in food transport, photosynthesis, transpiration, and gaseous exchange. Lenticels are involved in NEET 2013 question. Food transport, photosynthesis, transpiration, and gaseous exchange. Correct answer will be on the screen in next 10 seconds. The correct answers on the screen in 3, 2, 1, and the correct answer is both gaseous exchange and transpiration lenticels will involve. Okay, lenticels can be considered as, that is, it will help in the process of transpiration as well it is involved in the process of gaseous exchange. So both can be taken as the correct answer. Let's move on to the question number 7 on the screen. As compared to a dicot root, a monocot root has AIPMT Mains 2012. More abundant secondary xylem, many xylem bundles, inconspicuous annual ring, relatively thicker perida. A monocot root when compared to a dicot root, what is the special character? We all know that for a monocot root, xylem bundles will be more, right? Xylem bundles will be more in a monocot root. Let's move on to the next question, number 8. All these are previous year questions. Companion cells are closely associated with AIPMT preliminary 2012 question. Companion cells are closely associated with. Companion cells are closely associated with Vessel elements, trichomes, guard cells, and sieve elements. It is a sieve elements. Okay, they are coming under the structures of phloem. Moving on to the ninth question out of 25 on your screens. Everybody's eyes on your screen. We'll have the next question. Water containing cavities in vascular bundles are found in maize, cycas, pinus, and sunflower. Water containing cavities. Yes, everybody have answered. We have the correct answer as maize. Let's have the 10th question on your screens. Question number 10 on your screens, everybody. The common bottle cork is a product of. The common bottle cork is a product of. Phelogen, xylem, vascular cambium, dermatogen. We have the correct answer as phelogen. Okay, so bottle cork. Today morning we have done that. The common bottle cork is a product of phelogen. Let's have question number 11 on your screens. Which of the following is made up of dead cells? NEET 2017 question. Collenchyma, phellem, phloem, xylem, parenchyma. Which of the following is made up of dead cells? Collenchyma, phellem, phloem, xylem, parenchyma. Yes, we have the correct answer as phellem. Let's have the next question on your screens. Question number 12 of 25 on your screens. Stomata in grass leaf are guarded by. Stomata in grass leaf are guarded by dumbbell shaped, kidney shaped, rectangular, barrel shaped. Stomata in grass leaf are guarded by. Grass is a monocot plant. For monocot, you will have the guard cells in the double dumbbell shape. Let's have the next question on your screens. Secondary xylem and phloem in a dicot stem are produced by NEET 2018 question. Apical meristem, vascular cambium, phelogen, and axillary meristem. Secondary xylem and phloem in a dicot stem are produced by apical meristem, vascular cambium, phelogen, and axillary meristem. Let's have the correct answer as the vascular cambium. Let's have the next question on the screen. Question number 14. Casparian strips occur in, very easy question, NEET 2018. Casparian strips occur in epidermis, pericycle, cortex, and endodermis. Casparian strips occur in epidermis, pericycle, cortex, and endodermis. Let's have the correct answer as endodermis. 100% of the vote is towards the endodermis. Let's have the next question on the screen. 10 more questions remaining. Plants having little or no secondary growth are NEET 2018 question. Grasses, deciduous angiosperms, conifers, cycads. Plants having little or no secondary growth are. Yes, everybody have answered. The right answer is grasses. Guys, conifer, cycads, all those are gymnosperms. In gymnosperms and dicots, you will find secondary growth. In monocot plants such as grasses, you will never find secondary growth. Let's have the 16th question on your screen. Xylem translocates. NEET 2019 question. Water only, water and minerals only, water, mineral salt, and some organic nitrogen only, water, mineral salt, some organic nitrogen, and hormones. Read the question very carefully before you pick out the answer. Yes, everybody have answered the same. So xylem translocates not only water, it will never transport only water and mineral salt, it will transport water, mineral salt, some organic nitrogen and hormones. Let's have the next question on the screen. Question number 17. What is the direction of movement of sugar in phloem? NEET 2019 question. Non-multidirectional, upward, downward, bidirectional. Non-multidirectional, upward, downward, bidirectional. Let's have the correct answer on the screen right now in yes. The correct answer is bidirectional. Let's have the next question on the screen. Question number 18 out of 25. Grass leaves curl inwards during very dry weather. Select the most appropriate reason from the following. Closure of the stomata, flaccidity of bulliform cells, shrinkage of air spaces in spongy mesophyll, tyloses in the vessel. We discussed this in the class. Yes, it is due to the flaccidity of the bulliform cells. Grass leaves curl inward during dry weather due to the flaccidity of bulliform cell. We study the same statement I have told you. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 19 out of 25 on the screens right now. Which of the following is not a part of the epidermal tissue system? Which of the following is not a part of the epidermal tissue system? Trichomes, companion cell, guard cells, and subsidiary cells. Not a part of the epidermal tissue system. Trichomes, companion cell, guard cells, and subsidiary cells. Let's have the answer on the 3, 2, 1, and the correct answer on the screen. It is the companion cell. Okay, companion cell is not a part, it is actually associated with the phloem. Question number 20, we have 5 more questions remaining for you. Casparian strips contain. You have the options cutin, pectin, suberin, wax. Cutin, pectin, suberin, wax. Casparian strips is a very important one. Cutin, pectin, suberin, and wax. Let's have the correct answer on the screen right now. The correct answer is suberin. Okay, it is the suberin. Let's have the next question on the screen right now. Question number 21 on 25. Root hairs are always unicellular, sometimes unicellular, sometimes multicellular, always multicellular. I'm asking about the root hairs. They're always unicellular, sometimes multicellular, always multicellular. Just by heart that root hairs are always multicellular, whereas trichomes are always multicellular. So root hairs are always unicellular and trichomes are always multicellular in nature. Let's move on to the question number 22 on the screen. Monocot root differs from dicot root in having open vascular bundle, scattered vascular bundle, well-developed pith, radially arranged vascular bundle. Monocot root differs from dicot root in having open vascular bundle, scattered vascular bundle, well-developed pith, radially arranged vascular bundle. Let's have the correct answer as a well-developed pith. Okay, well-developed pith. I already told you in case of the root, the monocot root will have more ciliary elements, more vascular bundles will be there, and that will be having a well-developed pith as well. Let's move on to the next question, number 23 on your screen. In an annual ring, the light-colored part is AIPM 2009. The light-colored part is Heartwood, sapwood, early wood, late wood. You know what the other terms for early wood as spring wood and late wood as autumn wood, right? Yes, let's have the correct answer on the screen. Very good. It is the early wood or the spring wood that develops during the spring season. Let's have the question number 24 on your screens. Anatomically, jute fibers are AIPMT 2011. Xylem fibers, cortical fibers, pith fibers, secondary bars or phloem fibers. Anatomically, jute fibers are. What is actually jute fiber anatomically equal to? Yes, let's have the correct answer as the secondary bast or phloem fibers. Let's have the next question on the screen, last and final question, after which you will have the leaderboard for this much awaited quiz. The composition of the steel is AIPMT 2011. The composition of the steel is pericycle, pith and vascular bundle, endodermis, pericycle and pith, endodermis and pericycle, pericycle and pith. Composition of steel is. Yes, let's have the correct answer on the screen. Yes, let's have the correct answer. Very good, everybody. The correct answer is pith, pericycle, and the vascular bundle. So the much awaited leaderboard is right now there in your screen. Let's have the leaderboard on the screen. Yes, we have the first position Akhil, followed by the NEET aspirant, then we have the Sonali, and then we have Christopher. Congratulations to everybody. If you guys are ready, we will conduct everything. We'll conduct everything on all chapters. Okay? All chapters we will do the quiz like this. Clear, everybody? So, congratulations, Akhil, once again, and let's bye-bye. We'll meet with a new chapter tomorrow. That is not tomorrow. I'll inform you the date. We'll meet with a new chapter the very next day. So thank you, everybody. See you in the next class with a fresh or a new chapter. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of the class. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow with a fresh start. Bye-bye. Next, we'll be beginning human physiology. Okay, guys.